How to change receiver's name on Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change the recipient or receiver's name on Remitly. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Remitly account. The second thing is to navigate to the transactions whose recipient details you'd like to change. To navigate to the transaction, move to the top part of the screen, click on the transfer history page. After clicking on transfer history, you'll be brought to the page where you see all of your transfers. Then the next thing to do is to find the specific transaction for which you want to edit the recipient details. Then click on the transaction. After clicking on the transaction, you'll be taken to the transaction details page. Here you will see the option which says view all. Alright, this view all is for you to access the complete details of the active transfer that you'd like to modify. And then once you can see this on the page, click on edit transfer, then select edit, which is usually next to the recipient's details. That is, navigate to the recipient details and then click on edit. After clicking on edit, you can now correct it, change it by entering in the new recipient details, such as the corrected name and all of that. Review the changes carefully, click on confirm to save the updated recipient information, and then you are good to go. So this is how you can change your receiver's name on immediately. Just navigate to the transfer history, select the transfer on transfers page, look and navigate to the recipient details, click on the edit option, change the name, click on save, and you are good to go. Thank you, and have a good day.